In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the subtotal function in Google Sheets. This is an incredibly useful tool when you want to calculate totals for a data set without worrying about any filtered data interfering with your results. Let's dive right in and see how this function can simplify your spreadsheet tasks. First, we'll start by opening up a Google Sheet. You can do this by heading over to Google Sheets in your browser and opening an existing file or creating a new one. Make sure you have some data set up in your sheet that you can work with. For demonstration purposes, let's assume you've got some numbers in column D, specifically in cells D2 through D8. Now head over to cell D5 by clicking on it. This is where we'll input our first subtotal formula. Type in the formula exactly as follows: equals subtotal, open parenthesis, the number 9, a comma, and then D2 colon D4, and close the parenthesis. It should look like this: x subtotal 9 times D2 D4. What this formula does is apply the sum operation, which is represented by the number 9, to the range from D2 to D4. After entering the formula, hit the Enter key. Immediately, you should see the computed subtotal for the range D2 to D4 appear in cell D5. This uses only the values from D2 to D4, giving you the flexibility to filter without altering your calculations. Next, let's implement another subtotal function further down. Click on cell D9, where we'll calculate the subtotal for another section of your data. Enter the formula in cell D9 in the same manner as before: equals subtotal, open parenthesis, number 9, comma, and this time the range D6 to D8 before closing the parenthesis. In full, it reads, get subtotal 9, D6, D8. Just like before, press Enter after typing in the formula. And there you have it. In cell D9, you should now see the subtotal for the range from D6 to D8. It's important to note that using subtotal ensures that any filters applied to your data won't skew your total calculations, as subtotal is designed to ignore any rows hidden by filters. In conclusion, mastering the subtotal function in Google Sheets allows you to work more efficiently with your data, especially when dealing with filtered data sets. With just a few clicks, you're able to dynamically sum sections of your data without any hassle. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has made working with spreadsheets a little bit easier for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out other videos for more tips and tricks in Google Sheets.